Hello, I'm McBonn, your go-to project manager here at Bonn Group America Construction. Welcome to our page. At Bonn Group America, we specialize in bringing dreams to life with new construction, custom home, and high-end interior models. Our mission is to create spaces that are as unique as the homeowners who live in them. As your first point of contact, my goal is to guide you through the entire journey from the moment I meet you to the end of construction. Why do I love my job so much? It is really simple. I get to solve problems, shape dreams, and deliver homes that people love. Our process begins with a dedicated architect, followed by material selection tailored to your specific vision and your budget for your project. And then we bring the blueprints to life. We transform your space into something exceptional. Follow us on here for project highlights, expert tips, and insider glimpse of what happens in this crazy world here at Bonn Group America Construction. We're thrilled to have you guys on board, and always remember, your dream home is one project away. Welcome to Bonn Group America, where we're building dreams one home at a time.